Good morning, good day everyone, welcome guys, good evening for some of you, how do you feel today? Good day for a happy Thursday, quite close to what we call Happy Friday. How's it going everyone? Welcome guys, welcome. Great to see you chat, looks like you're having a good time, which is exactly the way I want to see you. Let's go. Good morning, good day. Well, you want to tell me about the way the markets recovered, and that's pretty much insane, guys. Look at that. We're having a great time. So Formula is not working yet. We're gonna set that in stone. We will proceed without. We will proceed without the giveaway form. We've reached out to their support and I've been told it's going to be fixed. So nothing to worry. Make sure to go ahead guys and share the presentation, invite people on board. Invite people on board. In all the trading groups, all your friends. We are going to be having a great time. This is where we are. Oh, we have to talk about the markets. Good evening, good day. Cheers, everyone, by the way. Trading on 466. I've been talking about levels below 30,000 yesterday. We touched 923 and then successfully printing 500 points recovery. We are certainly respecting daily VWAP plus the green line, which stands for dynamic swing volume weighted average price and anchored volume weighted average price. Really well delivering today, so I'm actually proud of it. Therefore, watching 584 and even levels above that, which stands for yesterday's high. This is a very interesting move, guys. Very interesting move. And I can tell you, if the opening is not dirty because of any external news, market is not buying into the hawkish bluff delivered by Mr. Fat Chair, Kevin. You see the recovery. You see the recovery, which is the proof that they're not buying into its bluff of hawkishness and tight monetary policy. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We must hit 180 likes to do the giveaways. Remember that 180 likes. Good morning, good day, everyone. You want to like the video? Come on. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Lovely. Who's asking for a date and time? So this is where we are in the 15 minute, touching little supply here. Not to be scared. Not to be scared at all. 5 minute looks like this. Today's high quite close to that 500s. We have a double top on 500s, but the markets are certainly respecting, especially with this candle and that move, that benign the risk of a such downtrend, right? Let me draw that again. So this candle here is denying basically the domination of the theory that in this particular part of the charts, we could have a double top plus double top on 500 plus an extension of a downtrend like this, right? Why is it denying? Well, first of all, you have a clear lack of acceptance below the daily VWAP sitting on 380s. You have a double lovely confirmation. And then on top of that, as soon as you are having the ability to bounce on something meaningful, you're doing it. 200 EMA 5 minutes, 395. So we're basically 75 points away from that level. That's a healthy situation, guys, to be part of. What's happening here, guys? Well, there you go, palm tree. I think you have a great chance daily. It's a very interesting game with the giveaways and duck races. I'm thinking about working around a giveaway for... Yeah, 500 is going to be taken. It's going to be wiped out, that 500. Not an issue. Not an issue at all. But guess what, guys? Guess what? Today is the day I am trading 3 copy-traded accounts for the payout on FundedSeat. Right, so let me drop you the links as usually. We're trading Lucid, which is the best prop firm, scramble coupon code, maximum discount at any point. Badger, we're going to pin your message with the giveaway. So Lucid, but the thing is, on FundedSeat, we are just $150 away from the payout. $150 away from the payout, guys, on FundedSeat. On $50,000 accounts, last day of trading, it's day number 4 on the funded stage. And we are having close to $3,000. We have to get to that $3,000. But in order for the day to be counted, we got to do minimum $250. So we'll have to do $250, not just $150. Right? $250 minimum on this 3 accounts that we've been copy trading on $50,000. We're going to take out $1,500 from each. And that's going to be $4,500 today. Joy, peace, and great opportunities. Welcome, Trader 07. I better not blow it. Well, I'm going to deal with micros. And I'm going to have some nice baby money around it. Yesterday, we were $150 away from losing this 3 accounts. $150 away from the 2,000 max loss. Today, we're $250 away from the payout. Because yesterday we fully recovered, plus made a lot. Made about 800. This is where we are. Mark is rushing towards that 500. I mean, I can easily long this at any point, and look at that, it's rushing, and I missed out. Missed out on a decent 20 points here. Yeah, you know, opportunities will always there. 12AC is not here, is missing out today for some reason. He is probably cooking. Good day, good morning. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure you want to be part of our Discord, by the way. You don't want to miss out on Discord. Oh. Oh yeah, I like it. I like the current situation. $483. I still think we're going a little bit higher here. Let's go, guys. $250 needed for the max payout. Formula is not working. $19 micros. Oh, look at that one, guys. We're close to finishing on the payout here. Just a little more. Come on, guys. Do it. Just a little more hitting my target. I'm not even greedy. I just want to do slightly above the limit. I'm not even greedy, and I could be, right? That was so close. Look at that one, guys. Oh. That was so close. Probably just 2 points away, guys. Yeah. Formula support is here. Let me see. So I got a reply from Formula. So watch out. They will work on getting it fixed in one of the upcoming updates. As this may take a little time, the best workaround for now would be to add some technical stuff. Down a little bit here, after being so close, touching my take profit for the pound. Market is playing some dirty games with me. Yet I'm not going to give up that easily. I'm going for my payout. $4,500 is not baby money, guys, from $50,000 accounts. Look at that one, Jake. I'm not even aggressive. 19 contracts. I'm not even aggressive. That was so close for the bout. Look at it. And now we're down. And this is a very interesting moment with this candle being sold like that. I guess they should... They should be doing better than what's happening right now. Good morning, good day, guys. Happy to have you on board. Thank you so much. Happy to have you on board here. Testing out a little long here to DCA. There you go with DC8. Oh yeah, with DC8. We're having 28 micros. This is at the top of the trend. We've been having a lovely 1 minute trending movement here. without taking liquid. You know, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. If it's not reacting here, it's so dangerous, guys. It's so dangerous if it's not reacting here for a lower high. For higher low. Yeah. Buenos dias. Welcome everyone. Great to have you onboarded. We're working towards the payout, guys. We're working towards the payout. We only need, oh look at that, we only need about $300. Oh, let me take that target a little lower. Oh, there you go, 298. And we made it 53, 122 here. 154, 141. Finally, guys, we qualified for the payout. There you go. Congratulations, chat. Congratulations, community. Payout confirmed. Haha. Payout confirmed. Here we are. Boom. 4,500 payout confirmed. Look at that. That's a great juice. A big winner there from a strong recovery yesterday. We were down a lot. Oh my gosh. We were down yesterday 1,850, just $150 away. So this is a clear proof, guys. This is a clear proof of how and what you can recover. How and what you can recover. How and what you can recover. Perseverance. There you go. Money secured. You gotta be consistent in your approaches. So we recovered slowly. I remember yesterday the first trade was on 10 micros. We made about $300 with that. The first trade, once we were down so much and close to that max loss limit. So fully confirmed on the pound. Wow, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. We're going to have that one typed out here for the FundedSeat. We've been trading, guys, the FundedSeat 50,000. Oh, that's good, Meister, I thought. We've been trading the 50,000 flex accounts, which is very similar to what Lucid flex accounts are looking. 40% consistency on the evaluation, no consistency in the funding stage, and no target in the funding stage. It's actually better because you can qualify for a payout after 4 days. You don't need 5 days. You don't need 5 days. 4 days are sufficient, basically. 4 days of minimum 250. So I think I'm happy with that. I think I'm happy with that one. Ha ha ha. Feels great, guys. Feels great. I'm certainly going to lock myself out. We're not negotiating. Now we're going to take care about other accounts too. A big ballet is in a comfortable situation. This is a bolt account. We're a little bit down. We're going to take care about this. But first of all, we're going to do daily lockout confirmed. Fully lockout for the day. Oh, that's a pretty good way. Walking into second part of July. Pretty good way. Let's see what we can do in this on this instant funding bolt. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone, and bring in your friends. They don't want to miss out on a great live stream. No way they're going to miss out. Price is going to go above 500 no matter you see those rejections, right? No matter what. So those rejections are trying their best, but obviously it is a tremendous failure. There's a few wicks here for the upside. And the price action is you know, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing that one. I'm talking to Formula right now in the live chat. Easy target around the 500. Whew. Pressure is off right now and qualifying for the payout. Pressure is off, guys. Maybe a temporary. Yeah, I think a temporary triple top. Temporary. And then we resume continuation for the upside. We're actually moving since 360s, right? So we're actually going to have a 140, 150 points here. So I'm going to try to have some limit orders here. Some short limit orders as soon as we take that high of 500s. And in the meantime, I'm going to open up Quantower. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. So let's have that message up. We're going to have that message up, guys. Oh, yeah. Touch the 500s. 16 micros filled up. In case of a strong breakout. That's it. I'm out. 73 bucks made. Not much, guys, but that's the way you trade micros. And this is the way you can trade against the dominant trend. There's no possibility of expecting, in other words, to have over expectations when you're going against something that dominates the momentum. Over expecting is one of the biggest problems people have. So you got two choices there. If you want to over expect a such situation, you gotta go very quickly break even stop loss. Then if it plays out in your favor, you're fine. There is no risk involved. But at the same time, you might be risking not to collect those great points that are offered in hope of having a, lovely cliff, which most of the time is not happening. So I've seen it. You better collect fewer points than expecting 50, 60 points from every single such context. This is FundedSeat on volumetric trading, right? With deep charts, volumetric trading with deep charts on the FundedSeat Prop Firm. It's really user-friendly. Easy to maneuver. And I like it. You guys will like it too. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Not much trading going around YRM for me these days. I'd like to see what can I do here for the FundedSeat. This is an instant funding Bolt account. Very interesting from FundedSeat. Instant funding Bolt means it has no consistency on the second cycle and daily payouts. So think about it. Starting with the second cycle, you have no consistency and daily payouts on an instant funding account. Instant funding without consistency is unique. First cycle is 20% basically consistency. Which is kind of a basic level, right? FundedFutures, classic company, running without problems, not an issue at all with them. Our first choice is Lucid. 15-minute average payout time with more than 250,000 traders, guys, are using Lucid. It's insane the way this company grow. Lucid flex no consistency and target on the fund. It's the the best accounts with the Lucid by far. 50k kills you. Congratulations, Dr. Kulu. You've shorted gold. You made $12,000 in your real account. Good job, buddy. Oh, congratulations, Rocket. $450,000 accounts. Green tea. Is what I get usually. Green tea. Market is still running back, guys. The power here is insane, right? So I think for the rest of the week, we're going to remain bullish. No matter how the media is portraying yesterday's press conference with a dot plot hawkish. The markets are at the moment in a situation. I mean, you look at the oil prices. Oil is going to be $60 by mid-late summer. So I don't think we're going to get too much of rate hikes, even though yes. We're waiting for a official update from YRM. Official update. You have to avoid it. In the meantime, already down to $74 for oil. It's going to get down to 60s. If I show you the daily chart for oil, there is an interesting gap here on 67, but we're going to cross that. We're going to cross that easily. Look at that, guys. back into 60s. Lovely accumulation phase here of numerous months. We're gonna see and look at this as a interesting bubble. The price action is gonna follow through like that. You know, we might also hit last year's low, 54.98, which is going to be quite brutal. But as soon as we've got it around the 60s, we will certainly understand the bubble this whole thing was. What's the best, Lucid of 150,000 or Lucid 50,000 flex? In terms of the best, you do have to consider your trading style, your trading comfort zones, and the ability for you to work around higher numbers. So if you can upgrade to 150 is better. You have a bigger drawdown. That's priority. Drawdown is basically what makes the difference. At the end of the day, yesterday, we only had $150 from hitting max loss. And we survived. Yet today we got to the payout on those 3 accounts. Today, that means $4,500 payout request for me, guys. That's on FundedSeat. But if I would have had that $150 less on the drawdown, you see the difference. That's the thing that I like to underline here. You see what that $150 means additional at the end of the day. On 150,000 flex, you have 2,500 additional. Right, so 2,000 for the max loss on the 50K, 2,500 additional, making it 4,500 for the 150,000 flex, guys. I mean, that's a huge difference. That's a huge difference. Then, of course, the target is the same, 6%. Payout is much bigger on the 150,000. Cost is also there. If you do a lot of copy trading, then you can test out some 50,000. You can actually have an approach where you split test. I think that's the best thing you guys can do. Before you certainly discover what works the best for you, personally, you got to do split testing. 50,000, 150,000, you certainly want to trade both differently and see which one works better. That's one thing to consider. But that $150 difference in the max loss, well, you see the outcome of that. We got to the payout. And that means it translates into a $4,500 payout. Huh. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. 30 minutes to go. Higher drawdown is always the best. But you have to include different levels of analysis, which are more likely personal things. I'm going into a little long here, a scalp. I'm not gonna be acting greedy at all. We touch our max loss here. 921. Gotta give something back. We gotta give something back. Expect a little more to be grabbed of this 5 minute at the opening of the 5 minute candle. Right, so the wick is tiny for the upside on the opening. Expected more. Yes. On 3 accounts, Jake. We made it. Requesting 4,500. On those 3 accounts. We're going to get 90 to 10. Good morning, Fred. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Time to do some Lucid trading. Funded. This is a funded account on Lucid. Lucid Flex funded account. Oh, I like it. 490s on my entry. Indeed. The giveaway link is down. Formula is not working. Formula is having a technical problem with the email verification process. We gotta wait for Formula. Look at that drop, guys. Very interesting. Very interesting. Uh, 150,000. Rocket. We have a daily loss of 2,500. A daily loss, yeah, a soft breach of 2,500. I'm grabbing 2 accounts right now of 100,000, both instant funded from FundedSeat. Three minis of DC a little here, 4 minis. I think the 1 minute green candle is going to appear soon. I mean, yeah, we're gonna remove YRM. We will be removing them. Till business resumes as normal, YRM is going to be removed. Certainly. Lovely, we hit a take profit here. We hit a take profit here. Their paths are extremely slow. 2 weeks. So they gotta fix that. Yeah, I mean, for example, we have this account on YRM with a lot of money inside, but this way it's difficult. Becomes useless, right? The entry is good, 472. Yeah, we gotta grab those FundedSeat Bolt accounts, 2 fresh Bolt accounts. I'm very interested, guys, in daily payouts on the instant funding account. But I'm gonna re-enter if I get a chance. I'll exit out of that trade too. Accepted a loss there. Not a heavy one, we still have 2,600 profit. But I'd like to buy back a little lower for my Lucid accounts. I think there is opportunity for lower. 5-minute touched significant and meaningful levels, guys. So 5-minute is touching today's high, obviously, last month's high, and weekly VWAP. Everything sits between 526 and 540s. Let's see if we have the Bolt accounts ready. Yes, Bolt accounts are ready. Instant funding, 2 fresh accounts of 100,000, about 800 bucks spent. We do request 4,500 today. Yes, they're far from being competitive, guys. Far from being competitive with weeks. There's a problem. There is certainly a problem. We're not going to do copy trading for this. There is a daily loss limit of 2,500. The target is only 5%, 19 Rocket. You were mentioning with the daily loss limit on 2,500, but the target is only 5%. That's something very interesting. Instant funding on 5% is very interesting. Thank you, by the way, for joining. We must hit minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. So make sure to do that. Testing out the waters here. Missed too long on my Lucid. Well, Lucid by next week, we might be able to qualify for a max payout, 15 grand from our 5 accounts of 150,000. On this Bolt, we should not cross 1,000 bucks profit because of the consistency, 20% consistency on the first cycle. 512 for my target. Can we get that? Can you make that 1,000 bucks from 20 micros? Not sure, Jake. I want to sit in the sim environment for as much as possible. $1,450. I like this. Come on, just a little more. Oh my gosh, what happened there? Oh my gosh. What? Oh, there you go. 9:48 celebration time. That's the best start possible, guys. Looks like FundedSeat is working today massively. 9:48 profit on the first day. Boom! Plus a pound. Let's continue with the next one, but certainly not rush into. You know, guys, I told you I'm gonna rebuy as soon as I get a better opportunity for my flexes here, but I didn't. Which link do you mean? I don't know which link do you mean, Jerry. We don't have a giveaway link today because Formula is having a technical problem and the giveaway form is not functional. This is all due Formula. "15 minutes to go and the market opens." Yeah, so for FundedSeat is here. Welcome. You guys also want to be part of our Discord community. Community full of traders. Yesterday's high 584. You guys getting comfortable with the idea? Crossing 584 today. You know what's happening. I mean, we have a fair value gap. I'm watching. The fair value gap on the hourly is right there. It's in between those levels. So that means 673 all the way to 750s. 670s all the way to 750s. 80 points fair value gap for the hourly. What do you guys think about this? There you go. The hourly price action looks great. The recovery shall not stop on yesterday's high, 584. Even though the hawkish vision is not what the markets care about, not even about the dot plot press conference or any restrictive monetary policy a new fact chair put out. Oh, that's insane. 12 of 12 of Friday. No, you still have to wait more, probably by the end of the month or so. That's early. YRM takes more than that. This day's YRM takes more than that from YRM. Yeah, Paulo Brazil, YRM takes more than that these days, unfortunately. You want to see the price action below the 400? I fear we have some nice momentum which cannot end. Without grabbing yesterday's high, 584. This top right there. And then what about the fair value gap? You want to touch levels above 700? I would take that 700s all day long. Yeah, it will take you minimum by the end of the month. Minimum. Let's try a crazy short here, guys. Crazy short here of a scalp. Call me crazy. Which will not be a problem. Because I'm not going to deny that. Oh. Four minis. As soon as we have let's see. We got some selling pressure here. Where's the selling pressure? And why is it missing that hard? I'm going stop loss break even. Lovely, I'm out. Beautiful, guys. 350 bucks profit. Ha ha ha. 350 bucks profit. There you go. Celebration time. That was not hard at all. That's liquidity in place. Market dumps a few points. You're taking advantage and you're installing profits. Deploying profits in the balance. That's our job here. Cheers, everyone. This is a nice funded account that I appreciate it. Formula is down because of a technical problem they have with the verification of the emails. Something they're working on. So let's continue, guys, with our FundedSeat second bolt account. Even though this is not an easy level, you gotta chase the price action. And that's something not enjoying. Not enjoying. Not enjoying doing. That is no good place for hunting reversals. You see how quickly this is getting bought up. 1, 2 red candles and game over. Little supply there, playing with a breakout traders. There are strategies telling you should go long on breakouts. As soon as the price action breaks out, you should long it, which I believe it is one of the worst strategies you can apply. Usually the market is undercutting, overcutting, reverses. It has that liquidity that has to be grabbed. It doesn't mean it's not recovering, but the thing is, you're buying the top and you're shorting the low. Dr. Kulu, congratulations for that one. Best of luck, buddy. Yeah, we got giveaways today running. So one of the worst strategies indeed is to pretty much... You see all those wicks above. Get denied quickly. No surprise. Not longing, not shorting here. Trading is difficult near structure highs. Retest of a breakout level is a good thing. The only question mark around it is sometimes you have to wait hours to get a such pattern, which confirms a retest bounce, right? So it bounces on a retest. Let's do a very interesting discussion here. Assuming we have a downtrend like this, right? And you got your resistance line, and the market breaks out, retraces back to the line, and you want to see for bull's presence, lack of acceptance below the trending line, and clearly price action, printing buying pressure. Otherwise, this whole breakout could simply be just a fake out. Having the price action resuming down the road, continuing its trend. You'd like to see price action bouncing here. The bouncing, most of the times, comes very quickly and aggressively through market orders, of course. So, if you miss out, there is a significant risk you're buying quite high. It wouldn't be a problem if you're buying high, as long as normally you have to cross your previous high for the upside. Right? Normally you have to go above this high. Normally. So even if you buy halfway through around this level, after you got the, look at that pump, guys, the bouncing confirmed, it shouldn't be a problem as long as the price action follows the logic of the pattern, which means creation of a higher high. What's happening, guys? Oh my gosh, what a lovely move. Not to underestimate, but we talked about yesterday's high, right? We talked about it. We talked about, as soon as we got into our live stream today, how we cross 500s, how we go for the yesterday high. And do not forget, we got a yellow box here, guys. Yellow box. There is a fair value gap. Starting like 100 points away from here, even less than that. So there's good money to be made. Good money to be made. Oh yeah. It's just that I missed out. Market opens in 3 minutes. Fair value gap, 1 hour. Yeah, on the hourly. Look at that. I'm not having momentum here buying, guys. This fair value gap is on the hourly. If you want to have an accurate approach of this, let's have an accurate approach of this hourly fair value gap. This one. around 667 all the way to 750s. No panic. Price action is still looking decent. No panic. Yeah, we're streaming daily from 8 a.m. EST time. And we're doing daily giveaways. 2 minutes to go for the opening, guys. You want to be careful. I still want to trade my 100,000 from here at Bolt. I want to have full 5 accounts traded properly on FundedSeat. But I'm glad we qualified for a $4,500 payout today. That 1 minute flat opening candle representing 40 points or so. This one, guys. Question is, are we coming back to this 540 1 minute flat opening candle on the New York session? Very likely, right? 540s. We managed to do 45 points in a single 1 minute candle. Retail from yesterday's discussion based on the media, guys, is bearish on Nasdaq and markets. S&P, Nasdaq, they're bearish on because of the hawkish position and the dot plot. But I was saying, if Kevin is going hawkish, markets bullish. Kevin is going dovish, markets still bullish. That's the current context. Why is it like this? It is a quite of long explanation of liquidity. But you see what's happening with the oil. And I'm questioning big time. Oh, there you go, the opening. Chase everyone on the opening. We've got you here. The wick is there. Wow. Haven't bought anything, but the price action is moving. He's not playing games. Oh yeah, look at that. Haven't got into anything here. What do you guys think about the next candle? We're going to set a lovely long from here. Some limit orders. Right? Around the 30s, around the 40s. Come on. Good reaction. The only bad part is this is only 5 micros. 5 micros only. Look at that. I've DC'd right now on a market order Another contract there. Yeah. Take profit right there. 595 for my take profit. What do you guys think about? That's some lovely rejection on 3 1-minute candles. Stop loss break even. Oh. Haven't traded a big belly account. But we got to pay out 4,500. We got FundedSeat payout on the $50,000 accounts. Good payout. And now we're trading the Bolt accounts. Back in a little long from here. Look at that. There he is. J12ACs are out here. This is quite an aggressive move, guys. What are they up to? Do you see it a little bit here, but I need the buying pressure to step in at this point so I can DC out higher, which is my plan. Otherwise, we're going to touch our daily loss limit on this one. A soft breach. I still don't want to touch it, even though. Daily loss limit touched. That's a big drop, guys. That's a big drop. Didn't expect it to be that big without taking a little more liquidity. Taking a little more. Nothing crazy. Just a little more liquidity. Right? Oh yeah. Excellent, yes. Continuing the flow of accounts. Made 1,500. Touching this very interesting level. Daily VWAP at this point, guys. It is a level that's worth our attention. Only 4 days needed for FundedSeat. Only 4 days. Only 4. So on the funded phase, minimum 4 days. And you can request your payout after 4 days. I find that pretty good. I find that pretty good. It's very interesting the way we are positioned. I care about the next 5 minute, by the way. I care about the next 5 minute candle. There he is. The next 5 minute is brutally important because we could break the ice with that. We could break the ice with that. And that yellow box, the fair value gap, remaining untouched. Not my bread and butter. We are not usually putting yellow boxes that are not touched. And you guys know that. We're usually not putting boxes that are not touched. This kind of boxes are loyal, acting like a magnet. So I'm down for a little touch. 749. Oh yeah. This 5 minute is what I care. This one has to hold basically the 200 EMA, 411, 400s, max 400s. We don't want to get below 400s. You don't want to hold your 9 minis. You don't trust your 9 minis. Yeah, obviously, but for the upside, you have 300 points. 300 points for the upside. Keep that in mind. If it reacts here, you want to target that yellow box. I'll be right back in 2 minutes, guys. I'll be right back with you in 2 freaking minutes. Look at that beautiful reaction. Beautiful. Beautiful reaction. As soon as you close 5 contracts, market reacts beautiful. 470s. 470s is good business, 470s. We're back. Yeah, we got a yellow box, but this is not looking exciting. Look at that drop. Wow, that 1 minute. 50 points, guys. This is not looking good here. And they might do dirty games as usually. On silly candles price action. Let's find it out. Let's find it out. Now, time to see something. I mean, our yellow boxes look... Oh, look at that 15 minute, guys. But still, this level is here. So let's not underestimate. This level is still here. Even for 15 minute. Level is still here for the 15 minute. The 400s. The next 15 minutes could only wick and close higher than the opening. Look at that. Let's just wait for it, guys. Very important to see how we deal with this 15-minute representation. Because then your 30-minute is going to have a nice wick downwards. So do not underestimate. Look at that, guys. Look at that. 60 points. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh my god. What a hell of a move. Crossing 500s, Mr. Neifert. I want to say bears are getting cooked if we cross 500s, but for the next quite significant time, the pressure is going to be for the upside. That yellow box there is acting like a magnet. We just got to clear the 500s properly. And it's certainly not something we cannot do in the current 1 minute context. We don't need a parallel red candle here. I'm watching closely, guys. It's a bit of unknown situation. We're with the supply in 470s, 80s, 90s, all the way up to 500s. Yeah. A bit of supply there. But the breakout could be juicy. 540s, 560s right away. Any new lows getting bought up? Trust me, I'll take that. If I get that, trust me, I'll take it. Cheers, everyone. Have a lovely day. Hit the like, everyone. We must hit minimum 180 likes. Come on. Roll the dice. Roll the dice for the upside. Ha ha ha. The bulls are here. The bulls are here. Just enjoying spending a little extra time. You guys said about the 400s. Yeah, I'm lacking the sufficient green tea, exactly. But let me tell you something. As soon as we talk about a green tea, green candle appears. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. Interesting. Interesting. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. $4.57. Getting denied. Look at that. This is getting denied. We're still part of the structure, not an issue. 15-minute looks decent. Looks decent. There's still 10 minutes to go for this. Let's not underestimate the rest of the time. Let's not underestimate. You and I, I'm going to give it a long here for the YRM trade. YRM is YRM these days. The bulls are here. 20,000, 15,000, 10,000 on the Nasdaq, but you got that. Oh, only 2 minis. You better do micros then. So instead of doing a shameful 2 minis, go do micros. And be a real risk management guy. Look at that. 3,000 bucks. We're breaking out. I'm out at $6,685. Oh yeah. Can we do a little more here? Maybe. 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 I'm not going to be ashamed requesting more. Not going to be ashamed. You know, guys, we're having a great time. A little more than the 500s? Maybe. I'm back in 7 minis here. Let's just convert this 470s, right? Convert it in support. Chop, 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 chop. Stay. Look at that, 3,000 profit. Oh, look at that 112 AC. Oh, look at that one. Here we are. We got in a longs for the Lucid. We got in longs for the Lucid. This is a fund that you are watching. Funded. Out of 65. Funded account. And the other two are the 2 big belly. This is a funded. Let's make some money, guys. Let's make some money. Ooh. Double rejection there around the 500s is not what I'd like to see. Yes, indeed. But we need to hold around this level, guys. We cannot get back below 440s. I don't want to see this below 440s. I'm holding my 10 minis here tight. Beautiful reaction. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. I'm out here, $21,000. Beautiful. I need that so bad. But the big belly suffered yesterday. And I'm not having an easy time. Look at the big belly. Down to 340s. Oh my gosh. This is not easy to be traded. Not to be trade, to be trade. To be traded. For the big belly, I need way larger profits. There's one thing that I changed in my style of the big belly. Instead of accepting, this kind of $6,000, $8,000, $10,000 profits, I started demanding 10, 15, 20 grand from each trade. And I started demanding from each trading day 30, 40. Instead of accepting 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and building like that for the rest of the month. So I have been massively over trading with the big belly accounts for the past time. Green is green. Even here, guys. Even here, green is green. Ho, 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 ho. We're soon going to get out. Soon. I like the way 500's reacted. I think we're not going to get underestimated by the 500s. Riders on the floor. No, the buying pressure is still there. The buying pressure is still there. Not touching anything yet. I'm observing. Look at that. I'm observing. You know what we touch? Weekly VWAP, last month's high. And it got us down 60 points. So imagine the amount of silliness behind this level. To be kicking balls of 60 points from that level is not what you want to see. Yes. Oh my God. Yeah, nothing to lose there. But look at that, crazy. No, the bulls are going to protect this level. Watch out. YRM is extremely slow in the payouts. We're going to take them out of the stream tomorrow. No more banners. We're going to take the banner away with the YRM. And I'm fully announcing everyone that they're in trouble if they're not going ahead, fulfilling the payouts quickly, coming out with an update. They got to come out with an update. It's as simple as that. The certainties of Scrambo. 440s used to be nice with us, but you want to watch out. You got to be careful there. 440s used to be nice with us. Remember that. I would DCA here. They're not giving me sizing. Let me go ahead and DCA in the other. 5 minis on here. 10 minis. Yeah, we got a lot of profit here in this one. Wow, look at a silly 15-minute, guys. That's an incredible silly 15-minute candle. You want to watch for that wick. Unbelievable. What a scam, right? Look at that. We're not going to have an easy time actually respecting this structure. I don't like this candle, guys, at all. Oh my gosh. I like to see some buying pressure stepping in here. Where are the damn bulls? There you go. Beautiful sell order, Mr. Knifeart. Shorting 535. Lovely short entry there. That's a good one. Exactly. Dart trader. You might be right on point. Right on the point. Watch out for my drawdown. That's a great reaction, Mr. Knifeart. Look at that. Mr. Knifeart, look at that. And it's not getting denied. It's not getting denied. Oh. It's not getting denied. Beautiful. Beautiful juice. You want to see how the candle closed on the 5-minute? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Pretty scammy, but it's still our show. Look at that. Pretty scammy with all this nonsense. But I would say it's... Oh. Yeah. Thank you, Fred. Have a great time. Best of luck for today. Beautiful, guys. That 400 is what we needed here to escape a $200 drop. And unlike my 10 minutes, $10,000 profit position, 32. I like this, guys. Giveaway starts a little later once I finish trading. We've got the yellow box. Do not forget about the yellow box today, guys. We've got it there. It's all set up. Market makers have seen it. That's why I have it on the stream for those market makers watching our live stream. Wall Street, you got the yellow box. You don't have to do anything else other than touching that. We're fully loaded. Good job, Jake. We're pretty good today. 33 grand here. Plus, we qualified for a payout today, Jake. 4,500 payout today. 3 accounts of 50K payout. From FundedSeat. 3 accounts of 50K payout from FundedSeat. Plus accounts saved yesterday. We were down 1,850, only $150 away from the max loss. It's $2,000 on 50 grand, right? Only $150 away from the max loss. Saved the accounts yesterday. managed to do enough money to reach the payout today. There's no better situation than this. I can guarantee for that. Look at that. Use it as a coupon code. 16 grand profit. I think we're having a great time here for a higher target for me, guys. Even though this is temporary supply, it's not going to scare me out. It's not going to scare me out. I've been breaking my balls here with the trades on that silly structure, risking a lot. So it's time to get seriously rewarded. Not pennies on the dollar. Look at that. It's a damn weekly VWAP, last month's high there, knocking the door. They're knocking the door. And we're smashing through. That's the script, Jake. That's the script. Indeed. There's nothing radical here on the selling pressure yet. There's nothing radical to be scared of. I don't want to see numerous wicks. That's not something I want to see here. Numerous wicks. I just want to see this thing doing the right movement. Doing the right movement, breaking above that. Oh yeah, I like it. Ho ho ho. Oh yeah. Look at that one, guys. Let's make some money. Oh yeah. Let's make some money. 24 plus 30 is 54. Ha ha ha. You call it a day if you made 50%. You call it a day right there. That's beautiful. Keep it running. Keep it running. I'm selling this account. I'm out of this account. I'm out here. $44,000. $44,000 up to 194. And then look it into the big belly. Big belly accounts. 350s. I'm still going to hold my long here. Yeah, for the big belly. But we got to do celebration time. Celebration time with fireworks. The selling pressure is nowhere to be found. Look at that one. Ha 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 ha. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this, guys. 44,000 in a single day. Flex account. We might have 3 bellies, 3 big belly accounts with this one coming out. We might get to 3 big belly accounts. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Keep it running. We're still watching. We're not that easy to be scared. We're not that easy to be scared out. I'm still watching. Yes. Triple bottom. Oh yeah, we're breaking highs. Ha 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 ha. We're 20 grand on the big belly. Let me get out here a little bit. Yeah, let me get out here a little bit. Yeah, let me get out here a little bit. So watch out, guys. 19,000. Let's say 20. Let's say 20 for the love of the numbers. 20,000. 17. That's what? 30. 37. And the last one, 44. Do the math. 37 plus 44. 81. 81,000 profit. Game over. Boom. 3 big belly accounts sitting around. Qualified for a payout today. What else is needed? On a random, not silly Wednesday. Actually Thursday today. No, it's still continuing to my yellow box, 12AC. This is going back to my yellow box. No, this is going to my yellow box here. Look at the hourly. This is going to my yellow box. I don't want to say I promise you this is going back to my yellow box. It looks like. It looks like that. This is going to my yellow box with a... We actually need multiple rejections here for the hourly not to touch that yellow box. And let's not forget that there's tomorrow for the yellow box. And there's many other days for the yellow box. Yeah. If there is not today for the yellow box, that yellow box is going to remain there. And we're going to touch it. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. Giveaway didn't happen yet. It's going to be soon. Oh. You know, this place is pretty crowded. That's why we're sleeping around here with less months. Yesterday's high with weekly VWAP. Oh, supply. Leave me alone. Look at that buyback. How should I make money from scalping short? Look at that buyback. Look at the buyback. How to make money with shorts on that buyback. I should make it to 200. You know, guys, when you want to do your extra $100 and you lose the whole account. Think about, guys. This is 194,789, right? You know that moment when you want to make an extra $100 just to touch that lovely round number and you lose the whole account? You know that? So, am I close doing that? Or that buffer of 44, 45 is enough not to touch it? Oh my gosh. I'm going to hit that long here. We're going for the 200 grand today. 10 minis long. 10 minis long. No, we're actually on the wrong account. Yeah, we actually select... We're actually on the big belly account, not on this one. The PN is not moving. Now it's moving. Now it's on the right one. We were on the wrong one. Let's go. Let's go all the way to 200. $45,000, 10 minis. Not on the 4 minis, 10 minis. But I don't like this drop here, this candle. I'm not a big fan of that candle. Yet previous structure tap here could be converted into something interesting. Not a big fan of this candle yet. Could be a bull flag, guys. Can we do a bull flag here? What do you think about? Are we on for some nice bull flag? You got a timeout, buddy. You just cannot continuously request giveaways. It's absurd. You got a timeout for that. You got to chill out and go for the trading. We're going for the yellow box, guys. We're going for the yellow box. And my approach towards that is sooner or later, we're going to the yellow box. Whether you believe it, whether you desire, whether you whatever, yellow box is our new target. And I'm feeling comfortable with that. With a yellow box being the new target. Now watch out how we convert previous supply into demand here and we rush create a new structure high. I just had a quick chat with the market makers. And hopefully they didn't lie to me. You see? You see? Oh yeah. Where's that green candle coming from? If I talk bullshit. Where's that green candle coming from? Oh! 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 Ha 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 ha. Oh yeah! Are we going for the 200 grand? We're not gonna stop till we got 50,000 in profit. There's no way we stop without having 50 grand in profit here. Yellow box, 12 AC, yellow box. $200 grand. Do we have 50? We don't have 50 yet, are we? Let me cut 5 minis here. I'm cutting 5 minis here. I gotta be conservative, right? $700. I wouldn't mind that. I think we're going for the gap. The gap is here, guys. 700. Did we touch it? Where's my take? I'm out here. 200 grand profit with 50,000 through. 200 grand profit, 50,000 made in a day. $50,000 made in a single day. Boom! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm holding the other. The other, this one, I'm holding this one. This is on a big belly account. And this was opened by mistake. I wanted to open trade on the other, but I didn't switch the account. So this trade here, $50,000 in a day. Lucid. All Lucid. All Lucid. $12AC, you see how we're riding through the yellow box soon? You just have to get familiar. 10 minis. The buffer is peanuts. What? So, how much? 50 grand on 10 minis. Do the math quickly. 50 grand on 10 minis. Do the math quickly. How much did we made? The yellow box is the target for the market makers. It's a fair value gap, and I predict the market is going there. It's a fair value gap on the hourly. Do the math quickly, guys. What is 50 grand on 10 minis? What is 50 grand on 10 minis? Tell me. Yeah, hold 9 micros. Correct. Alright, so let's have a little timeout. Another one for this little boy here. 30 minutes, just as much as it's needed to miss the giveaways. How many points, guys? Do the math. 10 minis means $200 a point. Divide 50 grand by 200. $250. So 250 points on 10 minis. Let me know when you can do that. 12AC. When you leave your trade open for 250 points on 10 minis, running back up. Running back up. I don't like this selling pressure here. I'm going to put a stop loss right there, which probably is going to get touched. There you go. We touch it. It's not in this account. It's here. Our $21,000 profit. I like it. I like that 21 grand. I'm not going to underestimate these values, these numbers, no matter what. We're not underestimating anything, guys. We're here to make hard, cold cash money. Formal is not here. If you start copy trading my trades daily, if you don't have my buffer, you're going to have a hard time with this big boy account. So today on Lucid, this is what we made today on Lucid. 50,000. Do the math, guys. 50,000 plus 21,900 plus 19,600. So that's like 20 plus 21 plus 50. 91. 91,000. Look at that. Look at our YRM trade, guys. We're driving YRM bankrupt with this. Look at that, guys. 20,000 from 7 minis plus 6 made. You cannot do more than 7 minis here. This is max contracts. Look at that one with YRM. We brought an account to YRM to $225,000. Goodbye. 25 grand profit here. Do the math. 90 grand on Lucid. 90 grand on Lucid plus 25 from YRM. Do the math. Plus 25, right? And then here, we got to the payout, but we only made 300 bucks, something like that. Plus we got in a Bolt account, instant funded, 948, you know, peanuts. Plus 1 daily soft breach, soft, not max loss, touched. That's the journey of the day. That's the journey of the day, guys. Absolutely incredible. 12 AC, you see where's the price action heading towards? There you go, Jake. Having a good time, Jake? Are you? Time to do the math, Jake. We got good profits. I'm doing some leverage trading on crypto, watching it in my phone. You know, at 50x leverage, 60x leverage, crazy. 50x leverage. So you put in $100 and you trade with 5,000. We made a new high here, but we're not going to stop unless the yellow box is touch. We're not going to stop unless the yellow box, a single box. I'm not greedy. Yellow box, single box. Today is a good day, a very good day. Qualified for a payout, made more than 100 grand. Oh yeah. Today's high. Yeah, it considers all the sessions there. This isn't the hourly. So you guys want to see this pressure, and you guys want to consider, since yesterday's press conference, media portrayed the whole thing too hawkish, and they correlated that hawkishness with an immediate drop. Oh yeah, look at that. 923 yesterday, today 600s. You want to trade just like the media tells you to do. Market rips 700 points the other way. That's the media. There you go. La camisa negra. La camisa nera. You want to sing the song? La camisa nera? We're doing the giveaway. We're doing the giveaway soon. 2 minutes, we're doing the giveaways. 2 minutes, guys. Prop Firm pays nicely and pays a lot. Good chunk of money. A good chunk of money. Wow. What's happening here? Thank you for qualifying requested. Wow. Looks great. All right, guys. So Look at that rejection. Scramble is going to long this. I'm longing it, guys, on the big belly accounts. You know, we've got some little profits here, but I think the market is due for a lovely move. That's just a silly 5-minute candle, cannot remain like that. Market makers will not let it be like that, guys. We didn't touch the fair value gap, the yellow box. We got to go there. You don't have to believe it. They should not be doing such silly 5-minute candles. So let's start the giveaways, guys. Let's start the giveaways. Markets will recover no matter what. Yellow box is going to be touched. This is going to remain on my chart. So here are the clear numbers of the yellow box. 667, 749. I believe we're going to touch that level. We're going to touch that level. Too much trading. I'm already over trading. You see that, guys. This is the effect. 5,000 down. Over trading. But I have to show you some wrong examples, not just good examples. At the end of the day, I have to show you both directions. First things first, I gotta do sufficient money to be able to show you wrong trading manners, right? In order to afford showing you wrong trading manners. Let's go to the giveaways, guys. That's pretty ugly what they're doing right now to me. They're not supposed... They're not supposed... You know, this is what I'm smelling today. You guys, do you agree with me there? We'll see. Let's start the giveaways. First things first, the wheel and the duck race, right? So first giveaway will have 2 accounts. First giveaway will have 2 accounts. How do you participate? How you join should be one of your concerns. So, first giveaway we do Tap 1 Futures 25,000 LE daily. Second ranked we'll do 25,000 FundedSeat. Flex account. Right, so we're sharing 2 accounts in this giveaway. 2 accounts in this giveaway. First with a Tap 1, second one with a FundedSeat. Watch out for the numbers. How you participate is quite simple. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. These are the 3 things you gotta do. And the 4th is never ever to underestimate the yellow box. That would be the worst mistake. Never ever underestimate the yellow box. Oh my gosh. So, no link today for Formula because of a technical glitch they got. You have to guess the numbers. Only a single guess per person. Watch out, we're doing basically between 0 and 5. Simple, straightforward. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Come on. Let me know your best choice between 0 and 5. Keep it going. Keep it going, guys. Run. Go. Hop. 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 Price action is silly. Could be better than this. Could be better than this. I should stop over trading. You know, the last trades I did are part of an over trading mistake. How could you learn if Scramble is not showing you the mistake? Think about it. Would you rather do the mistake? Stop right there. No more guesses. No more. Would you rather do it or see me doing it and learn from it? And at the same time, you can nicely have a good laugh about it. Say, ha ha ha, Scramble is losing. Ha ha. Shuffle, here we are, good to go. Start right there. We're not over trading. That's the way we always do. No form needed today. Jake, 12 ace. Oh, that's going to be 3 or 0. 3 or 0, guys. Tell me. I can use the pedal. I'm going to take this one to 0. Congratulations. It's going to be 0. Oh, yeah. Congratulations for the winners on the 0. Congratulations. We are break even. Entry is a little high. Congratulations for the winners on the 0. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining, guys. Thank you so much. La Camisa Negra. 48 winners. Look at that. You guys are not playing games. I think you've cracked the code of this wheel. I think you've cracked the code of this wheel. 50 winners right there. Competing for a minute. Competing for a minute. Best of luck, everyone. There you go. Oops, you're watching the wrong screen. Here we are. 1 minute competition time. No Formula today. Formula is down because it has a glitch. I don't have a boat. Nor a yacht. Do not overestimate me, guys. Do not overestimate me. Oh my god. Who's gonna speed up right now? Oh, 560s in the Nasdaq. I like it. Oh, we're printing. We're printing good money. Holding mid-pack. Good place to be. Raz is the winner. Raz MNQ. There you go, buddy. But we've got more winners. Raz and Aneem World. Look at that. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations, everyone. Raz. You got the tap on futures, Raz. 25,000 elite daily. Aneem World, you get a 25,000 funded seed. Congratulations. Good job, guys. Good job. We don't have the form today. Formula needs to fix it. They have a bug and they gotta fix it. But we're continuing with the next giveaway. In the meantime, printing another $6,000. Lovely juice. So this one is going to be your favorite account. You know why? Because we're doing 50,000 Lucid Pro. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Oh my gosh. Are we going for the yellow bucks? Ha 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 ha. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Do you guys love it? Let me know. Yes or no? Quickly chat. Yes or no? 50,000 Lucid Pro. Yes or no? You have to let me know. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lovely. Lovely chat. I like that support. I like that support. Keep pumping the price. There you go. Oh my gosh. Someone says today, very bad day market profile. Sad to hear that. Sad to hear that. 10,000, let me get out of this. 10,000, let me get out of this. 30 grand on the big belly. We made another 20 actually with this 2 trades. Boom, you don't want to miss out the 5. Oh. Alright guys, so let's focus right now on this giveaway. Watch out for the numbers. You guys want to stop writing. Watch out for the numbers. You guys want to stop writing. La camisa nera. We're only having 4 different numbers between 0 and 3. You can start right now. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice between 0 and 3. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Let's go, guys. Come on. 120, 130. That's how much we make today. 120, 130. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses. It's over. We have a 50x leverage trade here on crypto. Going nuts. Shuffle. There you go. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Next round, we're not going to accept spamming. Next round, we're not going to accept spamming. You want to listen up. That's going to be number 1. Congratulations for the winners. I made sure we're going to sit some nice seconds on number 2. I want to make sure Jake is trembling. Jake is trembling. Congratulations for the winners. We've got you on number 1. Good job, guys. Good job. Thank you. Congratulations for the winners. 71 winners. 30 seconds competition time for the Lucid Pro. Best of luck, guys. You know who's going to receive the account? The second. Second ranked will receive the account. So the second ranked is the winner. Second ranked. Second ranked is the winner for the Lucid Pro. Kira, unfortunately. Kira, not your day. You've run the wrong race. David. David, you got this, David. Congratulations. David, congratulations, David. Congratulations. 50,000 Lucid Pro in your pockets. Time to continue for the last giveaway. Let's do a YRM. Yeah, we got those accounts. Let's do the YRM. 50,000 YRM for the last giveaway. $50,000 YRM. The place we made 25 grand today. Let's long it for another 7 minis there. Watch out for the numbers, guys. Between 0 and 5, guess the number right now. You can start right now, guys. Let me know your best choice. We got to long it on my Lucid, by the way. On Quant Tower. We're long pretty much. Everywhere. Pretty much everywhere. Everywhere. Look at this, guys. 3,000 profit. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more. It's over. Shuffle. We're good to go. Yeah, we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. It's not going to be 0, 1, 3. No, no. Could it be 5 or 2? Could it be 5 or 2? Just have to be ready for both. Do you want me to take this one for number 2? Give me the okay. I'll take it to number 2, guys. There you go. Congratulations for the winner. Number 2 for the winners. Jake, are you here with a number 2? Are you here with a number 2, Jake? Congratulations. Look at that one, guys. Another 4,000. Not to underestimate it, but that's juicy. Congratulations for the winners on number 2. Haha. It is obviously rigged. Obviously. I think we have a huge gang of winners. 76 guys. You know who's gonna win? Let's do the following thing, guys. Oh my gosh, what's happening in the markets? We're pumping nicely. You guys see my P&L? 7,000. And I'm not closing. You see what's happening when you overtrade? It's never a problem if you overtrade. It's just a problem if you overtrade in the wrong direction. But if you overtrade in the right direction, why would it be a problem, chat? Tell me. If you can tell me. We're starting the giveaway, but you just have to tell me. I guess overtrading in the wrong direction is bad, just like simply trading in the wrong direction is bad. You know who's gonna be a winner here? 10th ranked. 10th. 10th ranked is the winner. 10th. 10th win. There you go. 10th. Right direction. I do have an end goal. As soon as we finish this duck race, I'm closing out. I'm closing out on my trade. This is the last giveaway, buddy. This is the last giveaway. We shared 4 accounts today. Last giveaway. I'd like to get out of my trades right now, but I cannot stop the ducks. And you certainly want to see what's happening. Number 10 is winning, by the way. Number 10 for the winners. Congratulations. Who's number 10? Jake Condom. Jake, you're number 10. Look at that, Jake. Oh, Jake is the winner. And look at that. What we have here, guys. What we got here, I'm out of this trade. 15, 16,000 profit. 15, 16,000. Look at the big boy Lucid accounts. How much did we made in total today? Do the math. Do the math, everyone. Jake, what happened with you? You know how rigged is this? You don't even imagine how rigged is this, Jake. You saw how we moved to number 2? Look at that, Jake. How we catch number 2. Look at that. We're doing an analysis right now. This is how we catch number 2, Jake. Sure. So the evaluation is going to be offered to Destiny. For a fruitful trading experience, we got to do the math. Of course, paddle. We got to do the math for today. Are you guys ready to do the math? Bring up the calculator. We got 46,000 here. 49,000 here. 46 plus 49, do the math. 90 what? 95 plus 50. 145. Cheers, everyone. Oh, Jake is a great guy. Destiny receiving the account donation. Jake is a great guy of our community. 145 profit today. Plus payouts. Plus payouts. 4,500 from FundedSeat. So we had a tremendous day. Yeah, we have to do the YouTube Shorts giveaway, which is going to be done tomorrow. Just be profitable. We have an update on that. YouTube Shorts giveaway, which is supposed to be today, is going to be done tomorrow. Exactly, on Friday. Cheers, everyone. Cheers, everyone. Tomorrow, there's an extra giveaway from YouTube Shorts on Lucid. Keep that in mind. Extra. Have a lovely and a beautiful day, guys. We talk to you soon. Cheers, everyone.